If you've lost your ability to send messages or comments on YouTube, you can follow these steps to restore your privileges. This guide will help you understand the process clearly. Step 1. Review YouTube policies. Check YouTube's community guidelines to understand why your sending privileges may have been revoked. Familiarizing yourself with these rules can help you avoid future issues. Step 2. Check your account status. Log into your YouTube account and navigate to the settings section. Look for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status that may indicate restrictions. Step 3. Appeal the decision. If you believe your privileges were revoked in error, you can submit an appeal. Go to the help section and follow the instructions for appealing account restrictions. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for YouTube's response. This process may take a few days, so check your email regularly for updates. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance. Provide any relevant information to help expedite the process. By following these steps, you can work towards restoring your sending privileges on YouTube. Remember to adhere to community guidelines in the future to maintain your account status.